Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix the installed version of the AMD graphics driver has known issues in D3D12 in Fortnite. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the Fortnite and select properties. Now check my video description for this launch option used in my video. Just to copy and paste it in the launch options and just close stuff here. For Epic Game users, you just need to select the three dot icon next to the Fortnite and select Manage. After selecting Manage, you can able to see the launch option. You need to turn it on and copy and paste this launch option used in my video. After pasting it, you can launch the game and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, first, you need to turn off the Windows from automatic updating your GPU driver. To do this, go to search menu and type Advanced System Settings. Click on Open it. Select Hardware tab and select Device Installation Setting. Set this to No and select Save Changes option. And now just to close tab here. By selecting this, the new Windows update will not automatically update by graphics driver. Now you need to uninstall your current driver guys. To do this, check my video description for this link used in my video. Scroll down and select the download mirror USA and it will start downloading in 5 seconds. After getting download done, you just need to open the downloaded file. Select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to double click on the DDU, select extract. After getting extract done, you just need to double click on the folder. And before opening the display driver uninstaller.exe, you need to make sure you are in the safe mode, else you may face different issues. After you are in safe mode, you can open the display driver uninstaller.exe. Select yes. Now select OK. In here you just need to select OK. In here you just need to select this drop down and select a GPU, and in down you just need to click on this drop down and select your graphics card. After selecting it, select clean and restart. After selecting clean and restart, your driver will completely uninstall from your system. After uninstalling the driver, you need to download the older version of driver guys. To do this, check my video description for these links used in my video for AMD users and NVIDIA users. You just need to scroll down. In this search list, you just need to type your graphics card model. In my case, the graphics card model is AMD 6500 XT, and select this correct name over here and select search option. And now you just need to scroll down. Under here you can able to see previous drivers option. Select it, and now you just need to expand depending on what type of Windows you have. And now check my video description for this guys. For AMD users, you just need to download the version of 24.7.1. Just need to find that version. After finding that version, you just need to select the download option and download the driver. After getting download done, you just need to install the driver guys. For NVIDIA users, you just need to select your graphics card model over here. Select your operating system, select your language and select start search option. And In the same way, you just need to find the version 560.70 is required for NVIDIA. Now just find it 560.70. After finding the version, you just need to select the get it download option and select the download now option. And now it started downloading, guys. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After getting installed done, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed, guys. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.